To add shipping costs to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify dashboard and scroll down to the settings option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once inside the settings menu, click on shipping and delivery to access all your shipping preferences. This is where you can manage rates for different regions, countries, and delivery methods, ensuring your customers know exactly what to pay at checkout. Setting up clear and accurate shipping rates is crucial for providing a smooth shopping experience and avoiding surprises for your buyers. In the shipping section, click on Manage Rates. Here, you'll see any existing shipping zones and rates you may already have set up, such as local, regional, or international options. If you haven't added any rates yet, don't worry. We'll go through it step by step. To add a new shipping zone, click Create Shipping Zone, choose the region or country you want to include, and give the zone a clear, easy to recognize name. Naming your zones helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to sell internationally. Once your zone is set, click Add Rate to define specific shipping costs. You have several options here. You can create custom rates and enter fixed costs based on your preferences, or you can use a carrier or shipping app to automatically calculate rates in real time. This is perfect if you want your shipping fees to reflect current carrier pricing. You can also set up conditions for shipping rates, like free shipping for orders above a certain amount, or different rates based on product weight. This flexibility ensures your shipping strategy matches your business model and keeps your customers happy. After you've added all your shipping rates and conditions, click Done, then hit Save to confirm your setup. Now, your Shopify store will offer flexible shipping options with clear, accurate rates and even free shipping where applicable. With these steps, you can provide a seamless checkout experience, reduce abandoned carts, and keep your customers informed about shipping costs from the very beginning. Happy selling!